See, I don't wear a purse. I wear a European carry-all. Don't be so judgmental, man. I think I look good. Purse or not. You know who sells purses? Michael Kors. That's right. They sell watches too, actually. You know what else they're getting into? They're getting into shoes. They just purchased Jimmy Choo, but that's not going to be on this earnings call because this Jimmy Choo acquisition is not finalized yet. Michael Kors came in at 90 cents. They beat the street by 28 cents. That's a heck of a beat. Revenues of $952 million beat the street by $33.8 million. That's down 3.6%. Comparable sales down 5.9%. Retail net sales up 10%. But you got these revenues are up. They beat the street, but they're down year over year. And you got the comparable sales down 5.9%. Then you look at retail net sales and they're up 10%. They're up 10% because they added 67 new stores this year. So a lot of these numbers are still telling me that this is down. We just opened more stuff. It's a little more by proxy. People are closer. They're going to go and spend revenue there. This is not net income. This is just revenue. So the net sales are up 10%, but you're bringing money in the door, putting money out the door to run 67 more stores. Wholesale sales down 23%. Like I said, the Jimmy Choo deal has not closed yet, and so it's not on the books, but Michael Kors, there's a long way to go. I mean, honestly, there was a point in time a few years ago where everybody was fairly adamant that this was, a Louis Vuitton, potentially. It was definitely somebody that was going to keep up with Coach, and I don't know if Coach is really keeping up with what people thought Coach was going to do. Fashion is so trendy, and unless you're one of those really entrenched names that can dominate the fashion world for decades upon decades, and I don't think Michael Kors is there yet. Don't get me wrong, they may be on the track. They do make a lot of nice stuff. I've purchased stuff from Michael Kors before, and I know lots of people who own Michael Kors products. But a lot of these numbers tell me that things are down despite opening 67 more stores. I know they're trying to get out there as much as they can, and they definitely have a lot of nice merchandise. Retail's a tough racket. Michael Kors beats on earnings, beats on revenues, but a lot of the numbers say, you go do your due diligence. That's what I'm telling you. That's what the numbers say to me. They say you need to go out there and you need to work a little harder. You need to do a little bit of reading. You need to find out about Michael Kors and the other companies in their sector and everything else that happens to affect them. And then you make the decision. Don't take information from me or any other Joe Blow. You talk to a licensed professional financial advisor and you do your own due diligence, sir or madam. You decide if you want to invest in Michael Kors or something else. I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. Hit the subscribe button.